All right, I just got these new diamond blades in today from Amazon. Dry Extreme. They come with a 3-pack, and the price was really appealing to me, so that's why I went and got them. You'll see here they come with a bushing in there, so they'll do a 5/8 inch arbor, or you can take the bushing out and they'll do a 7/8 of an inch arbor. I'm using the 7/8 of an inch arbor here on my little Ryobi. Now, one of the things I like about this blade is if you notice the cutting area here, it's almost like, oh, that's going to be almost 3/8 of an inch. Most of your blades out there, if you go buy them, they're like 1/4 of an inch of diamond cutting area. This has got a bigger space, which I think is going to give me a longer lasting. There's about 20 feet here that we're going to be cutting in this concrete. If I can get this blade to last that 20 feet, I'll be tickled to death, because the ones I've been using previous to this wouldn't go that far. You'll notice, nice, smooth, clean cuts, no rough edges on that. I got nothing but good to say about this blade right now, because I mean, we're cutting 1.25 inches deep in 3-inch concrete here, and it's cutting a nice clean line all the way through, and it's still, like I said, it's still cutting like a champ like we started. So I've got no complaints about this baby right here. You ready? Here we go, let's go. Very pleased with how much we got cut. I think we originally talked about doing this 21-foot cut. We did almost 2 more cuts 2/3 of the way with the same blade. So this blade by far and away did a lot more than any blade I've bought previous, more expensive or cheaper. This blade is outperforming everything that I've used so far.